Those are the live pictures coming through from the New York, New Jersey Stadium, where France have just secured themselves a 3-1 victory against the Lions of Teranga in Senegal. And of course, it is Kylian Mbappe in with a brace here tonight. It just seems like he's a player that comes alive at the World Cup.
At the World Cup, the quality of the players is the difference. There are moments where you feel it is tight, and all you need, difference makers, and Mbappe is one of them.
And for Senegal, they'll be thinking they were so close, because you look at that first half of action, goalless between the two sides, but the second half comes through and you have a different France coming out. You see them really just changing their application, changing the position of certain players, and it worked.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations, well deserved to France. But Senegal, Joba Ushovi, first half, they had an opportunity. They were better than France. I mean, that missed chance, guys, yaga sa, and cross yaga Diouf. You take that chance, it's 1-0 up, you go to half time, maybe anything can happen. But as for France, it was a dull France first half. Sakhuluma no coach Tisate man thina lesikhathi sidlala mina nabo Stiga. Stiga bakangali makungathi lo uqinile for Stiga. Ngithe Stiga bring me so me bro. Ngithi imlande ngimthambise. So into abayenzile into besikhuluma no coach ukuthi France izodinga nje just ukushifta nje kancane ukuthi Olise inside, Dembele outside. This is what happened. La opportunity lento la Senegal where Senegal lost the ball, and then France now they are attacking is 4v4. 4v4.
Say create a lama one-on-one wako manje.
Says a lama one-on-one. Yeah. And in terms of Senegal second half, they were so careless. They were losing a lot of balls. I think they've lost 4 balls in a row. But this was another opportunity. Then Kulumenga Jackson is very key. And it's very good when Zalama ran behind the defense. And that was a great tackle from Saliba.
But no more Shalio run left because he's an attacker for an open space. He needs defenders who can defend open space. Saliba can, Upamecano can. That's why the minute the game started opening up, then you could see them going into Senegal and Senegal coming at them. But now the beauty of our defense is 0-2. The minute they were under pressure, they would literally drop to try kill the space.
Yeah, look at there. They lost the ball in Senegal in a crucial area. Great save from Umendi Lapayana, and the only say came alive second half. Jobasi Shilo, as soon as Angene position number 10, Utembele Ayabule position wide. He was more creative, he was more dangerous, and look at the opportunity there. I think the goalkeeper made a big save. Lapayana, he went everything right, only said, but the goalkeeper Lapayana Umile stood up, Lapayana over big, and he saved that ball.
Maybe the difference there, we see another chance here in the 64th coming through for France.
Beka yabona le mayingena Jabas uzobanda la emhlana la mavi. If you look at the 360-degree turn ayenza uOlise mayithatha ukuthena mayithena nje ebuka phambili uMbappe is on his bike, he makes a diagonal run, the pass is played, now in a one-on-one foot. From minute 55, then there were more actions on the sides, there was more one-on-ones, which is something we never had in the first half.
Something that we didn't have at all in the first half, and that's quite an avalanche of opportunities coming through. But before we take a look at the next one, which is France finding the back of the net, I want to touch on when you look at the goal scorers here tonight, all 3 of them coming from one club that are currently the European champions.
Yeah, PSG for the since their generation, Messi, Neymar, all those superstars. Bacala team pants with young players, of course, with few experienced players, and Namhlanje, their household name, is a very strong team to beat PSG, for example. Now, France, Mele ube extraordinary, Mele ube more talented, Mele ube elite.
And umuntu elite, umbai, at his age, uthathi defender wayibeka phansi wathi mi hlala la mayiqedwa bambi roof. naye ubuya ku-PSG mara ile nhlobo le yabo-Jabas
no
neenyawo zakhe ngizwile nikhuluma ngeenyawo
akanabotisi ngathi isandla lesi
mara lelo nyawo liyakwazi ukuthola igoli.
dangerous.
Let's take a look at how Kylian Mbappe is able to find the opening goal in this game, assisted by Olise.
Now Olise now coming from the right, playing combination play, no Kunde. Look at that run. Yes, just one touch finish. Coach, itali kamelu khulu lesilungu elale goal. Awareness yakambaba.
And the awareness ka Olise to pick on the movement from Mbappe.
Hey, the timing of the pass.
Telepathy,
Yes.
synchronicity,
No.
accuracy,
Aye man, the finishing.
accurate.
Beautiful team goal. Yabona la Senegal. Yabona mabakushaya ngempama ngePatrick no. Yeah.
No, this
Yeah.
is top.
Yeah.
This is top.
Top class goal. Top class.
And the beauty of the one-touch finish, because Amanyama striker would have wanted to have a touch, and then behind you there's a Koulibaly coming. If you have a touch, then you're giving an opportunity to the defender to recover. But all Mbappe did was that as the ball got played, as it was coming, he had already, a striker must know all angles of his box. Wherever he is, he doesn't have to look at the frame of the goalpost. Mbappe, that's what he did. Just got turned, and he knew the goalkeeper is going to be coming. So if I just push it far post lap, I just drag it far post, is a goal, and that's exactly what happened.
And that is exactly what happened. And a few minutes later, they found the back of the net once again, do the French. And this time it comes from a player coming off the bench already with so much impact, assisted here by Rabiot.
Yeah, Rabiot, good midfielder. Now he's a great passer. Look at the run also yaka Bakola. Composure. Bengitshela ucoach Steve ngalomfana igame ingaqala ngathi coach iFrance imnandi kakhulu vele but kunalento engiyithanda kakhulu uBakola ngimtshelile ngathi ayilazi ibhola ayina portraits nayo inobujabupuli ayina portraits ngiyolalela top notch. I mean, we've seen players in situation like this shoot bashaya ishot nje ku goalkeeper li plus goalkeeper but the composer ngoba goalkeeper makaya phansi ulibeka la phezulu top notch coach.
Movement yabo Jabas lapha ku midfield, as they dissect the defense, Kukola Mbappe goes slightly outside, and then there's a crisscross from Bakola, and then the ball gets played by Rabiot. Now it is vision. So when you play, you don't only play looking at the opponent in the available space and the ball. You have to factor in the fourth one, which is your teammate.
Look at Bakola because now I highlight that.
Yes. They regain possession here, forward pass. Look at
Bakola.
And then look at the movement from Mbappe.
Mbappe is going out. Wow, coach, when I bonanga the movement.
Now, they're giving a problem to the defender to say, okay, if you follow Bakola, I'm all by myself. If you stay with me, Bakola is one-on-one with Koulibaly. Whatever happens will happen, but in any one-on-one, but there's no equal one-on-one in football. Because if I'm facing a one-on-one now, that one-on-one is not equal because you may be more capable offensively than myself defensively. So that one-on-one can never be equal. So any one-on-one with Olise is not equal.
But the speed, coach, of France, it's unbelievable, coach.
And the thinking of receiving the ball, if there's no opponent on your back, they get turned. If there's an opponent, back through, but as soon as they get turned, they play forward.
Ibrahim Ndiaye has his debut at the World Cup, becomes the youngest Senegalese player to appear at the World Cup. 18 years and 144 days, and what a goal.
Now umfana omncane adlisa umuntu utshani lapha. Now umuntu umfana omncane adlisa umuntu utshani. One-on-one, no cover. Ngithanda isibindi sakhe, he's brave, very skillful player. This is what a winger does, a V. When it's one-on-one, why mina ngiphase? Imsebenzi wami eliminator lo. Unless une cover, and this boy did that very well. And for a goal, ubone ukuthi lo mfana lo for i-age yakhe se umnandi kakhulu. Normally mawuza kule side azengalo kumele ushaye right because abo goalkeeper mabeza so ulishaye la, and normally hayi kabi masilibukele thina ibhola la ekhaya most of the time balishaya straight ku goalkeeper, but ulishaya la ngoba uza ayenze so. Great composure and great vision from a young man.
Yeah, and ukhuluma iqiniso uMike Maimane goalkeeper ushawe uJackson Qala on that offside one.
Yes.
Yes.
You remember that one?
Yes.
This is the second one. So it then confirms what you're saying, that as soon as you are at an acute angle, find the roof.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kylian Mbappe just securing, of course, that third and final goal. What a scorcher. Mendy had no chance.
There's a small detail about Mbappe. As soon as Olise takes on these two defenders, you must look as Mbappe receives. Kune camera, the first angle. He receives the ball, he lifts the head a bit. Because that's why he scans to check where's the goalkeeper's position. Nah. He just lifts the head. Now, these are some of the decisions at that level. They count so much. That's a big window of opportunity. But if he had not lifted his head to check where the keeper was, he wouldn't have taken that attempt. But as soon as he receives, checks, and then you have to take a decision and execute.
Yeah, no, I mean, even the first touch, Coach Joba Ush,
I like it when you do that. He finds the back of the net and he is the man of the match in today's encounter is Kylian Mbappe with a brace for France in this encounter. Well, as you know, you can certainly sign up on the carlingpredictor.com for your chance at champion prizes. Made for Champions Carling Black Label, the official beer of the FIFA World Cup 2026. South Africa, be sharp. Not for sale to persons under the age of 18. No surprises there in terms of the man of the match. We spoke about how the first half left us with a lot wanting, but in the second half, we saw France turn up different, and this man was pivotal in that.
Yeah, no, like Sishilo and Mbappe is a big player. Is a player for, big occasions. And Ubonisi, the Namshaje, we are Kubega from where he left the previous World Cup. We are Kubega starting a World Cup in brace. And as for Senegal, second half, I think Coach Baile Bayekhisi Kiarangani, and they were careless. They lost so many balls. Guma area Saneko right. And against Team France, look at this goal. You are going to get strange. Maulibele uba careless in the win is dangerous. That's what Senegal did second half. And Mawenza Ranjalo, they are changing Tembele, no Olise. Laba Mabasalele, Baluza Mapolo, Laba Batima change about Babangel.
Yeah, I think the fluidity and creativity from the French national team. First half, they were very rigid. It's more like playing in a structure without any creativity or fluidity interpositions. But as soon as Olise started swapping a position of Dembele, even after they had made substitutions, how Bakwala went in, where Ulona, Udue ended up swapping positions, introduced Cheki. So front four, even Mbappe was now not playing as a point of reference at night. He was coming lower, then giving a problem.
Well, he was more comfortable also.
Exactly. Now, when he drops lower, Kolibali, Nonia Kate, they don't know Kutiba Makaban. But the challenge is that as soon as they receive from deep positions, they come with a ball and they come in running at you, then you are always back into your box.
All right, well, Leblanc, of course, just putting behind that loss to Senegal in their opening game of the World Cup in 2002 and putting 3 behind Mendy in this one. And in response, Senegal just finding the back of the net through the 18-year-old PSG player.